Unwrapping the Mystery. What is a gift card? Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the ins and outs of a common but sometimes confusing concept, the gift card. Whether you're giving one, receiving one, or just curious about how they work, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the world of gift cards and understand what makes them such a popular choice for presents. A gift card is essentially a prepaid debit card that contains a specific amount of money available for use for a variety of purchases. They come in two main forms, physical and digital. Physical gift cards are tangible cards you can hold, while digital gift cards are sent and received electronically via email or app. Gift cards are used just like cash, but with a predetermined limit and can usually be used at a single retailer or a group of retailers affiliated with the card. They're a popular gift for holidays, birthdays, and other special occasions because they offer the recipient the freedom to choose their own gift. Giving a gift card has several advantages. It takes the guesswork out of gift giving by allowing the recipients to purchase what they truly want or need. It's a time saver and a convenient option for the giver. Plus, it's a way to ensure that your gift won't be returned or wasted. Using a gift card is straightforward. You present it at the time of purchase, and the amount you spend is deducted from the total value of the card. If your purchase exceeds the card's value, you simply pay the difference. It's important to keep track of the balance to make sure you use the full value of the gift card. However, there are a few things to be cautious about with gift cards. Some cards may have expiration dates or fees if not used within a certain time frame. Always read the terms and conditions of a gift card before using or buying one. When giving a gift card, it's considerate to choose one that matches the recipient's interests or needs. It's also thoughtful to include the receipt or card information in case the card is lost or needs to be replaced. As for receiving, always express gratitude and use the card responsibly. That wraps up our journey into the world of gift cards. I hope this video has helped clarify what gift cards are and how they can be both a convenient and thoughtful way to show someone you care. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content and leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips on using gift cards. Until next time, happy gifting!